update to our day. Word come on down from high above that the gas station that we normally would be stopping at, the mobile station, they're either closed, which would be kind of weird. I suppose it's possible everybody's closing up because of the storm. It's Saturday, or they're out of gas. I think that's probably more likely what's happened. I don't know, but wouldn't surprise me if all the gas hoarders were out and pretty much bled the place dry, so it probably doesn't have any gas. But either way, we're not going there for gas today. So come up with another plan. One of the other towns, probably try them for gas. It's kind of funny. Plow trucks need fuel. Can't plow without fuel. Gotta find fuel to fill the truck. We got about 3/4 of a tank of fuel right now still, so we're good for a little while. But probably don't want to wait too long because I don't know how much traveling I'm gonna have to do to go get gas. So we'll probably let it get to I don't know, we'll probably go for a little while longer. Take a look at the radar and the weather reports and see when this is going to get really cranking. Maybe try to go after some gas right before it gets rolling, so we don't end up having to drive in the middle of nowhere, low on fuel, and in the middle of the worst of the storm. So I think that's what we'll do. We're going to take a look at the weather, see what's coming, and then go from there. Well, I think it might be picking up a little bit now. Visibility's definitely getting a little bit worse. It's very light, very thin, you know, kind of snow, but there's a lot of it coming down. So there's not really a lot of snow on the ground, but the visibility is not very good. So right now it's probably about, I don't know, probably maybe 200 feet. It's about all you get. Maybe 200 feet is all I can see, so it's definitely starting to, I think it's starting to pick up a little bit. I don't know if we're ever going to see the 2.5 to 3 inches an hour they were talking about, but you know, it's easy pushing. Truck's not working very hard, that's for sure. I could probably just drive around in two-wheel drive most of the time. I was earlier, but makes kind of tough going when you got to get rolling after you come to the stop sign. But once you're rolling, you're fine. I don't know. So it's definitely picking up. Thank God, it was getting kind of boring. Need to try to keep it interesting somehow. I'm up over the highway now. There are not many cars out there at all from what I can see. Again, can't really see very well, but not much going on out here today. Thank God. We're going to turn around down here at the line and get out and do a little bit of windshield maintenance here. Starting to build up a little bit of ice, lifting the blades up off the windshield, then the windshield itself gets ice on it. More importantly than all that is it's just annoying listening to it kind of clatter across the windshield every time the wipers cycle. There you go, click, click. insulated leather work gloves are fantastic. They get a little nasty inside. Kind of dirty, but work really good. Throw the hood up on the hoodie and shut those blades off. I'll try and clean them off. Dropped a little bit. 20 degrees, light blowing snow, wind. I don't know what the wind chill is at. Well, I looked at it earlier. It was below 0, that was for sure. And there is pretty poor visibility. Like to turn their trucks into ice boxes. Get the thing wicked cold, windshield icy cold, and the snow just blows right off the top of it. It never melts and freezes. Fortunately, for me, I don't like to freeze my ass off, so it's kind of a sissy that way, I guess. I don't like cold. I'd rather be warm in here. So I'm going to go the opposite route and try to turn this thing into an oven. Melt some of that ice off. These Topsfield guys coming up. Couldn't even see them till the last minute. Can't see a freaking thing out here. It is pretty dangerous. If you don't have to be out, not that anybody's gonna see this now, but I hope if you don't have to be out, you are not out right now. It is not fun. Well, it is actually fun, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of fun. Traffic go by. They had I don't know, half a dozen cars or so, if you saw that going behind them. They pulled over, let them go by, and now they're turning around. Some courteous plow guys out there, not all the jerks everybody says they are. Stopped right at the edge. if you could see him or not. Stopped right there on the side of the road. I couldn't see him till I almost drove into the back of him. Definitely not stopping fast today. You hit the brakes hard enough, gonna be sliding right into somebody. Look at our new guy we're working with here. It's got some interesting plowing ideas. Generally, when we're out plowing down the main roads, we make all right-hand turns into the side roads, the cul-de-sacs and stuff like that. So you're driving down the road, you come up upon one, you turn right, you go into it. You don't normally go left across the main road and into the side road. So pretty much I made my right-hand turn into the side road, and he made a left-hand turn across into the side road. And so basically we ended up meeting in the middle, almost head on in the middle of a turn. That's not cool. That's a really big truck. You know, I don't really want that thing smashing into the front of me. You know, if you make all right-hand turns like we normally would do, that would have been avoided. So I might mention something to him about that. That was that got my attention. I didn't really expect to see that truck coming around a corner right in front of me. So, probably should address that. There and clean the windshield and the wipers off again. Actually gonna scrape this time. It is icy. Old-fashioned scraper works the best. we doing, boys and girls? Pretty good? I think we're gonna friggin' flip the switch here and go Stallone style. Turn myself into a machine. Over the top, baby. It's the way Stallone would do it. So, whew, man, that's hot. Alright. No more ice in my iced coffee. Alright, no more iced coffee. All gone. What are you gonna do? Throw it down on the floor. That's what we're gonna do. That sucker's gone. Go to the hot. I don't think it's gonna be very hot. It's warm. Ain't bad. Been worse. Here on the right, this thing is right up on top of the road. Got a window there. I think it's been smashed a couple times. It's interesting. They built all these houses. They didn't expect there to be a road, you know, regular main thoroughfare friggin' being built right next to you. Well, that gas gauge is getting pretty low. Lower than I wanted it to get. So I think we should start looking for some fuel here. Not being from the area, I don't really know where to go. So we have to figure that out. Can't go to the regular spot because they don't have any gas or they're shut down. One or the other, I'm not sure which. But that's the plan. Gonna go out and start our search for some go-go juice. I was told Topsfield, so actually I probably should have just kept going down Topsfield Road to just go to Topsfield. And we can find gas, so. Google search and see what I can come up with.
Turn left onto the I-95 North ramp.
You got it, baby. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Continue on I-95 North for 2 miles.
Up. I ain't plowing for the friggin' Mass Highway. Put that sucker up in the air.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 76A for Massachusetts 97 South toward Topsfield.
Windy out here, boy. Holy crap. Oh, there's a rumble strip. The only time in the world I like rumble strips is when they're covered with snow, so you can't see the side of the road. You can feel it. Definitely got some wind out here, though. Topsfield, Georgetown, 1 mile. Rolling around out here, holy crap. Look at that car that just passed us. Completely lost now, I can't even see it. Visibility of all of 100 feet, maybe. So I don't think it's as bad as they said it was going to be. It's a little gnarly out here, that's for sure.
In 1/4 mile, take exit 76A for Massachusetts 97 South toward Topsfield. Take exit 76A.
Wherever that may be.
Continue on Massachusetts 97 South for 1.5 miles.
do. This is taking me to Georgetown. Direction, maybe we'll see if maybe they're open. Kind of hoping they just didn't get their gas delivered. They were late, or you know, something along those lines. Probably out of gas. Bad. Apparently my sense of direction is off. We are now in Topsfield. So maybe we are going in the direction we want to go.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Hopefully it's an open gas station. That place is closed. Oh.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't think so. Alright. Next option. Oh, there's the fairgrounds. Yeah, we are in Topsfield. Home of Topsfield Fair. Interesting. Not my favorite fair, that's for sure. Apparently it's America's oldest. Founded 1818. One leak on the driver's side manifold. After I fixed that one, it sounded like there was another one on the passenger side. We're going to get that one fixed up. One, it's annoying if you're not listening to it, but two, we get a little bit of exhaust fumes coming in the car. Probably the worst. Run into that a lot. Cars have exhaust leaks under the hood, manifolds leaking, gaskets, or broken bolts or whatever. That exhaust comes right into the vehicle, especially when you're running your defroster, because that air comes from right behind the hood. So, get that fixed up. There's some new combos here. See how these are. I'm never a little nervous about these ones. Combos. Buffalo blue cheese pretzel. See how this works out. That first one was kind of different. Got an interesting texture. texture, a little bit softer. Well, that could just be because the inside of this truck is 120 degrees right now. A little softer, a little bit of spice on the back end. I didn't expect that to come along. About 5 or 10 seconds after I finished the first one, started getting spicy. That was kind of a surprise. We're okay. I think it's going to be a limited quantity kind of thing. I'm getting more than a few of these things at a time. It's a little bit too much. But they taste okay. Not bad. I'd rather go back to my pepperoni pizza one. I didn't have any. But this will suffice. I can deal with this. It's not too bad. So, not bad. Still looking for the gas station. Still looking. Alright. Found a gas station. Hopefully they're hopefully they got gas. I'm gonna jump out. I'm gonna fill this fucker up. Sucker, sorry. Hopefully they don't shut me off because I'm sitting in the truck. A little cold out there. This is a Dunkin' Donuts too, but I ain't gonna get a Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I'd rather drink my cold, older Cumbies coffee right now. We'll probably run inside now and grab a soda. Have a Mountain Dew. Just take that, throw that in the back of the truck, stay cold. A little caffeinated sweet beverage. Maybe something, donuts or something. Something sweet to eat. A little sugar. Go. So far we got 19 gallons and about 65 bucks. It's a bargain. Bargain price of $3.39. 24 gallons, 82 bucks. Hopefully that takes us a while. Somebody came in behind. Parking spot right here. What is that? A lot of snow. Maybe about 10, maybe 10 inches out there right now. I don't know. Still not as much as they said. That's expected. Take my shit. Throw my Mountain Dew, Hostess cupcakes, and monster size Slim Jim. Oh. Good stuff, good stuff. Take that. Oh, steel. Snowbank back there. Hopefully I can find it later. Look at that white, holy crap. Jesus. Getting old. Getting old. Away the truck bastards. Gotta get back to it. I swear to God, these suckers used to be like twice this size. That's... I know those are smaller. You gotta be. That's crap. That is absolute crap. I don't even know where I'm at in this parking lot right now. Can't even tell. There hasn't been anybody in here to plow this parking lot, I don't think, at all. So if anybody's looking for a plowing contract, I can suggest you call up this mobile station here, mobile/dunks in Topsfield, across from the Gulf, Noria, whatever the hell that says. Because Bentley Warren trucks. Plugging along. Man, that guy must have a ton of trucks. I can't imagine how many he's got. Quite a business. Probably should have cleaned off my wiper blades and the ice on the windshield, but to be honest, it's pretty crappy out right now. I'd rather just stay in the truck for the moment. Eat my cupcake. My small, shrunken down sized cupcake. I wasn't in Topsfield. What town was I in? Going into Topsfield now. Oh, that was Danvers. We're in Danvers. All you Danvers people. Know a couple of them Danvers people.